Hello students, I am Pushpalata Kadam from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we are going to study Class 2 Subject EVS, Chapter 6, Our Country. Students, we all know that our country is India. This is the map of our country. Okay, India is a country where we live and the capital of our country is New Delhi. People who belong to India are known as Indians. India is a land of many people, religions, languages, and festivals. There are many states in our country. Can you see in this map? There are different states like Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Sikkim, and so many. Okay. And people in our country, they follow different religions. Can you tell me the names of different religions which we follow? Yes, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Parsis, Sikhs, etc. And what about languages? There are so many different languages which are spoken in our country. Okay, people in the different states speak different languages, and people also celebrate different festivals. So many different festivals. In this picture you can see there are so many different festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, in which people keep the idol of Lord Ganesh and worship it. Then Raksha Bandhan, Christmas, Holi, Dasera, Eid, etc. So many different festivals are celebrated in our country. We also celebrate national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. Why do we celebrate Independence Day on this day? Because our country got freedom from the British rule on this day. And so it is celebrated as Independence Day. And Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January because our constitution was formed on this day. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October because it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. What do we do on Independence Day and Republic Day? We hoist the national flag and we also sing our national anthem. Which is our national anthem? Yes, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Okay. Our country has different symbols. Okay, a flag is a symbol of our country. The national flag of India has 3 colors. Can you see in this picture? National flag of our country? Yes, and there are 3 colors in it. The color at the top is saffron. The color in between is white. And the color at the bottom is green. That is why it is called the tricolor. Okay. There is also a chakra or wheel in the center of the flag. Okay, can you see in navy blue color? There is a chakra. And how many spokes are there in the chakra? There are 24 spokes in the chakra. Okay, and each color in our national flag, it signifies something. It has a meaning. Saffron color means courage. White color means purity. Green color means prosperity. And the wheel, which is at the center, it means justice. We should show respect towards our national flag. Okay, children. So these are our national symbols. The national flower of our country. Which is the national flower of our country? It is the lotus. And which is our national animal? Our national animal is the tiger. And what about our national bird? Our national bird is the peacock. So all this you can see in this picture. Okay, children. And our national anthem. Which is our national anthem? Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. We sing Jana Gana Mana on important national days. Okay? Okay, now in this picture, can you see who is this? In the first picture, he is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, and the second picture is of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Children, do you know in earlier times, kings and queens ruled over India. Then the British ruled India for almost 200 years. India became independent on 15th August 1947. But this freedom which we have got is not easily achieved. There are many freedom fighters and many people who gave their lives in order to get freedom. Okay, can you name some freedom fighters of our country? Yes, freedom fighters like Pandit Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, etc. Okay, they fought for the freedom of our country. Mahatma Gandhi is also a great Indian leader. He is known as the father of the nation. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay, and the next picture is of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was Dr. Rajendra Prasad? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. What do you mean by the word president? The head of our country is the president. Okay, can you name the present president of India? Who is the present president of India? Yes, he is Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind is the present president of India. Okay, children. So remember, we should love our country and we should be proud of being Indians. Okay? And always remember, we should respect our national flag. Okay? What are the other things that you like about your country? Yes, you like the different dishes, the different food which is cooked in our country. There is a variety of food that is cooked in our country, and there are different monuments in our country. Okay, and there are beautiful places in our country. People from the other countries visit our country in order to see the beauty of our country. Okay, so you should be proud to be an Indian. Okay, children? Thank you.